Have that kind of wind and rain, I think, tomorrow. So make the most of this afternoon's sunshine. That's really the message. And most of us will have a pretty good-looking afternoon. Plenty of sunshine across England, Wales and Northern Ireland. A few more showers to come, though, across Scotland. Now, we started off with quite a bit of cloud across the southeast and East Anglia. That is melting away, so a fine, bright afternoon for many of us. But we'll continue to feed those blustery showers in across all parts of Scotland. And the winds are just going to get stronger here. Temperatures 10 to 14 degrees Celsius. If you can get out of that chilly breeze in the sunshine, it shouldn't feel too bad. Should be a fine evening for most of England and Wales if you're heading out, but there will be more wet and windy weather to pile in, particularly across Scotland, but then more wet weather also pushes into Northern Ireland through the early hours. With the wind and the rain, quite a mild night across the north, actually turning quite chilly with the clearer skies further south, down to 5 or 6 in Norwich and London. Tomorrow's weather, though, well, it really is all about the wet and windy conditions. At first, piling into western Scotland. Those winds could cause some problems. Gusts of 60 to 70 miles an hour, maybe a bit more up over the Highlands, and those very strong winds spreading across Northern Ireland and Northern England during the day. So the winds could cause some problems, and the rain won't be welcomed either. We had some flood warnings out yesterday, and this extra rain falling tomorrow could again perhaps cause some flooding problems, particularly in western Scotland and also in Cumbria. Once the rain arrives here, it will set in for much of the day. Further south and east, well, it'll be a sparkling start to the weekend. It'll be a bit chilly, yes, but there'll be lots of sunshine across Lincolnshire, the East Midlands, East Anglia and South East England. However, it will turn steadily cloudier through the day. That cloud already starting to push into southwest England, but for many here it should be a dry and bright start to Saturday. A dry start in Cardiff, but the cloud already thickening, the winds picking up across North and West Wales, bringing some outbreaks of rain. Pretty miserable start to the day in Northern Ireland, wet and windy here. Now, as we go through the day, the persistent rain spreads into northwest England, much of Wales. Gradually, the rain arrives across the Midlands through the afternoon. The rain turns a little bit lighter through parts of Scotland and Northern Ireland. The winds may ease a touch, but nonetheless, for the majority, tomorrow's just a wet and windy day, and temperatures only 12 or 13 Celsius, maybe 15 in London, and much of the southeast will stay dry. The rain probably not getting here until overnight Saturday into Sunday. That rain may linger for a time along the south coast during Sunday, but for most of us, Sunday should be a much brighter day. There'll be some sunshine coming back, just a few showers, but it'll start to turn a bit cooler, and next week it's going to get much colder, perhaps even the first real taste of winter. Emily.